Let us do exercise 13.1. So here question number A is tick mark the correct answer. So first question is circle is a plane figure, solid figure. Option number C both A and B. Option number D none of this. So we know that the circle is an example of the plane figure. Correct? Because plane figure is called two-dimension figure. That means figure which have only two dimension, that is a length and breadth. So circle is an example of plane figure. So now next example here. The other name of a tetrahedron is option number A triangular pyramid, option number B triangular prism, option number C square pyramid, option number D none of this. So here answer is option number A triangular pyramid. So the other name of tetrahedron is triangular pyramid. So now next one, question number 3. All the side faces of a pyramid are option number A squares, option number B rectangles, option number C triangles, option number D none of this. So we know that all the side faces of a pyramid are always triangles. So here option number C triangles. So now next example here. Example number 4. A line where two faces of a solid meet is called a vertex. Option number B an edge. Option number C an angle. Option number D none of this. So here always remember one thing. A line where two faces of a solid meet is called option number B, that is an edge. So option number B is the correct answer. So now next one. Question number B, first one, which of the following are plane figure and which are solid figure? So examples here: rhombus, hexagon, cylinder, trapezium, circle, sphere, square prism, pyramid, octagon. So now see here, we know that the definition of plane figure and solid figure, correct? So what is the definition of plane figure here? A figure which have only two dimension, that is called plane figure. Okay, and solid figure means what? A figure which have three dimension, that is called solid figure. So now in this examples, so here two dimension, that is which are the two dimension here? Rhombus, hexagon, trapezium, circle and octagon. So these are the examples of plane figure and remaining are the solid figure. So write down here answer. Plane figure, that is a rhombus, hexagon, circle, octagon, and the solid figures are cylinder, sphere, square prism and pyramid. So these are the solid figures. So now next, question number 3. Base of pyramid is pentagonal, and all other faces are triangular. Name the pyramid. So now base of pyramid is pentagon, correct? So pentagon means 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is the base, correct? Now so see here, the base is a pentagonal, that means 5 sides, and all other faces are triangular. So there are 5 faces and these are the triangular. So what is the name of this pyramid? That is pentagonal pyramid. So now next example here. Question number 4. Name the following solid shape. So we know that we have already learned in previous lecture types of solid figures, correct? So this is the diagram of cuboid. Okay, because this one is a rectangular shape, so that's why it is called cuboid. So now third one is, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides this diagram contains 6 sides, so that's why it is called hexagonal prism, right? Because up top and bottom, that is a hexagonal shape, so that's why it is called hexagonal prism. So that's why it is called hexagonal prism. So now next example here. Question number 5. Using a square graph paper, draw the cube whose edges are 5 cm. So we have to draw the cube on square graph paper whose edge, that is the side, that is 5 cm. So let's draw. First, this is called a square graph. So we have to first, this is the diagram of cube whose edge which is equal to 5 cm. So let's draw this diagram. So here first we have to take 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5, correct? Because in our question, so here we have to draw cube whose edge which is equal to 5 cm. So consider one box which is equal to 1 cm. So draw this 5 box. Again upper side, again draw line, draw the line here, draw the line towards upper side, count the 5 boxes here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again draw this line towards left hand side and count the 5 boxes. Again join this square, and again we have to draw, take your scale and you can measure here 5 cm, like that we have to draw. So now see here, the perfect diagram of this cube is this, because we have to draw here 5 boxes, then again count here 5 boxes, then again count here 5 boxes, then again count here 5 boxes. Now see here, these are the 5 cm, correct? Again we have to take the scale and draw this line 5 cm. This one is also 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 5 cm. And we have to join all the sides. So this is the diagram of cube. Now next thing, using a square graph paper, draw the cuboid whose dimensions are 2 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. So see here, this one is the graph and this is the diagram for cuboid, because in our diagram, take scale and start from here. Take this one is 3 cm and go to the upper side, and here draw, take your scale, and this side is 2 cm, this one is the 3 cm, this one is the 2 cm. So first draw rectangle, okay, this one is the rectangle. Then draw here 2 cm, 2 cm, this one is the 3 cm, this one is again 2 cm, and this one is again 2 cm. So here this is the diagram of cuboid. Next example is, using an isometric graph paper, draw the cubes whose edges are 4 cm. So now this is the isometric graph paper. So now see here, we have to calculate 4 cm. Okay, we have to calculate using an isometric graph paper, draw the cube. That means we have to calculate the cube whose edge which is equal to 4 cm. So we have to take, we can start from any point. So suppose take this point and we have to draw the 4 cm cube. So count here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you have to draw this line, that is the 4 boxes we have to consider. Then again continuously we have to draw the next line, that is 1 2 3 4 boxes. Now again draw the next line here, 1 2 3 4, that is the 4 boxes we have to consider. Again next thing, join this again 1 2 3 4 box here we have to join towards upside. Now next here, this one is the starting point. towards the starting point, again towards the upper side here, 1 2 3 4 boxes we have to join here by the line, and again join these 2 points. So here like this, again count 4 boxes, 1 2 3 4, and then join the line. Okay, and remaining 1 2 3 4. So this one, join these 2 points. So this is the diagram of cube whose age which is equal to 4 centimeter.